Welcome. In this video, we will explore the concept of no correlation in statistics. We'll focus on how to identify random scatter plots that show no linear pattern or trend. First, let's quickly review what correlation is. Correlation describes a relationship between two variables. For example, as the temperature rises, ice cream sales often increase. When one variable changes, the other tends to change in a predictable manner. Generally, we see three main types of correlation. In a positive correlation, both variables increase together. In a negative correlation, one variable goes up as the other goes down. The third type, our focus for today, is when there is no correlation at all. When two variables have no correlation, it means there is no apparent relationship between them. On a graph, the data points look like a random cloud, with no clear direction or pattern. One variable's movement does not tell us anything about the others. Visually, no correlation is often described as a cloud of data points. The values are scattered all over the graph. There is no clear line, no curve, and no direction that the data seems to follow. It is pure randomness. If you were to try and draw a line of best fit through this data, the line would be almost perfectly flat or horizontal. This indicates that a change in the variable on the horizontal axis does not lead to any predictable change in the variable on the vertical axis. The correlation coefficient, or R value, for such data is very close to 0. Let's consider a real-world example. Imagine plotting a group of people's shoe sizes against their exam scores. You would find no connection. Having a larger shoe size does not mean you will get a higher or lower test score. The variables are independent. Here is another case. Does drinking more coffee make a person's IQ higher or lower? If we plotted data for these two variables, we would likely see another random scatter. The amount of coffee someone drinks does not have a linear relationship with their IQ level. To summarize, remember these key points. No correlation means the data looks like a random cloud. There is no predictable connection between the variables. A change in one variable does not predict a change in the other. And finally, any trend line would be flat, with a correlation value near 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.